In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write emails with Grok AI, Professional Setup 2026. Whether you need a polished pitch, a friendly follow-up, or a crisp internal update, I'll walk you through the exact flow, so you can go from a blank page to a professional email in minutes. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. This is where you'll access the Grok AI workspace. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and consider using a modern browser for the smoothest experience. The site loads to the main homepage where everything happens. Next, sign into your Grok account. Logging in isn't strictly required to try simple prompts, but it's the easiest way to save your progress, keep a history of your chats, and revisit drafts later. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. If not, you can create one quickly. Remember to keep your login details private and avoid using shared devices for sensitive work. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface. Front and center is the chat area, which is designed for natural language prompts. Think of it like a conversation window where you describe what you need, and Grok turns that into a draft you can edit. Click into the chat bar in the middle and type your request. For example, you can write, "Create or generate me an email script." That simple cue will get things started. If you already know the goal of your email, include that in the same message. Grok responds best when it has context. You can also reference images or materials you wanted to consider. After you see the first draft, add more information to make it precise and useful. Tell the AI who the audience is, the tone you want, formal, friendly, or persuasive, the key points to include, the call to action, the deadline, and any constraints like word count. Ask it to provide a subject line, a preview line, and optional variations so you can choose the strongest version. You can also request bullet-free paragraphs or specific formatting requirements that match your brand. Keep iterating by saying "make it more detailed" and call out anything that needs to change. When you're happy with the result, copy it into your email client. Do a quick proofread for names, dates, and links, and personalize any small details. Never paste confidential information into prompts, and always verify facts before sending. That's it. Grok handles the heavy lifting, and you keep full control over the final voice. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.